ang totoong Lea Salonga na kilala ko behind the camera.
Yes.
Thank you for sharing that with us. But after the successful blind auditions, ito na ang battle round.
Ito na,
So what can we expect?
Bakbakan.
Bakbakan talaga.
Bakbakan talaga. And everybody went in to the battles ready and oh man, I rehearsed my team so much. It's crazy.
Teka muna, ang concept ng battle rounds is that the people within your team, like halimbawa Team Lea, ang magkakalaban-laban.
Dalawa sa Team Lea maglalaban-laban against one another. So they still compete within the team. So, okay, for example, you are on my team and Aga is on my team and I put you in the ring together.
Si Aga talang example mo.
I'll have to. I mean, nangangarap ko man tayo. So sige, pagbigyan. So kunyari, then I put the two of you in a boxing ring.
Okay.
And you perform the same song as we rehearse it. And then whoever comes out on top, I get to pick. So that's what happens.
That's what happens.
That's what happens, and it's a battle. And sometimes, minsan yung kinalalabasan ng mga battle unexpected. Na parang, you remember certain people from the blinds. And then you see that they're in the ring together and like, oh, this is going to be interesting. When I'm watching somebody else's team. And then nangyayari na, kumakanta na, parang, oh, I don't know which way
to go.
The coach is going to go with this one. And it's tough. It's really tough, and it's taxing on all four of us. Talagang ang hirap talaga.
And the battle rounds will be this?
They start next weekend.
Okay, so invite them, of course, to watch The Voice once again.
So, first of all, gusto ko lang muna magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga tumututok sa The Voice of the Philippines tuwing Sabado at Linggo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong walang tigil na pagsuporta sa amin at sa aming apat na coaches at pati na rin kay Tony, kay Alex at kay Robbie. At sa lahat na rin ng staff, beginning from Mr. M all the way to our writers, we all say thank you very, very much. So I'd like to invite you all again to come and see The Voice of the Philippines every Saturday pagkatapos po ng Maalaala Mo Kaya, every Sunday after Rated K. And just in case hindi ninyo makatch ng live, you can go to iwantv.com.ph and the episode is uploaded right away.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Lea.
Thank you.
Huling tanong.
Huling tanong.
Kailan ka namin makikita muli sa silver screen?
What
would it take for you to do a movie again? Kasi yung huling pelikula na ginawa mo was 17 years ago
Sana
with
maulit muli.
Aga.
And that was for Star Cinema.
Yeah, so what will it take to see you on the silver screen again acting?
First of all, and I've been pretty vocal about this, there's only one leading man for me. There's only one. And it's Aga. There's only one.
Why?
Excuse me, yung asawa nandito, no?
Hindi, pero let me explain. Kasi kami ni Lea and Aga, pati yung asawa niya si Rob, we have a very nice relationship. As a matter of fact, I think on August, first week of August, we're gonna go on a vacation together. Diba, sa bahay namin. But particularly, bakit si Aga? I've never asked you this before. Bakit si Aga? Why are you only willing to do a movie with Aga?
Well, firstly, I think we have a shorthand as far as what we do on screen. It's just very easy for a director to say, you two do this, do that. Tapos ng usapan, madali. That's one. Pangalawa, bihira lang kasi ako gumawa ng pelikula, as in once every 17 years. It's like Halley's Comet, you know? I don't do movies very often, so I want to be with people that I'm already comfortable with, and I don't know, there are certain risks I like to take when I perform live. When I do a film, parang I'd like to stay with a team that nakasanayan ko na, and the two movies that I made as an adult, he was the leading man. So,
and okay kay Rob si Aga, hindi ba?
Oh yeah, you two were so funny because I guested him in this concert, and you were the first one to say, alam mo, kinikilig ako pag nakikita ko kayong dalawa. Gumawa na kayo ng pelikula. And I was like, wow, you were the fan of the team up. And it's really cool kasi kahit na nag-asawa na kaming pareho ng, you know, and we're both married with families and everything, people still want to see us on screen together.
And we're looking forward. Pwede ko bang i-share? Are we allowed to mention that there have been silent talks in the past about a possible movie?
There have been, but can we get physically ready first for this? I mean, I think I've had a head start. I've lost a little bit of weight, and it's starting to show. So it's his turn na lang.
Hindi, malapit na yan. Magbibigay ako ng deadline.
Motivation
Bibigay ako ng deadline sa inyong dalawa. Abangan nyo sa December. Tingnan nyo silang dalawa. O, hindi ba, Lea?
Sige.
Alright, pero bago yan, abangin po natin si Lea Salongas on The Voice sa Battle Rounds na papalabas next week. And of course, maraming salamat, Lea, for joining us once again dito sa The Buzz.
Thanks for
It's
having
always nice to
me.
catch up
Thank
with
you.
And ako po ay magpapasalamat din kay Maui Manalo, Jaime C. Tan Quinones, Rahul Laurel, happy viewing kay Lisa Magtuto, and Eric Manansala, maraming salamat. Tan Quinones, happy birthday, and Nelia Bagsit, happy birthday. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's me, Charlene G. Alright, mga kapamilya, dyan lamang po kayo at huwag po kayo alis dahil magbabalik pa po ang
The Buzz!
#1 ang Kapamilya Network. Patunay dito ang mga bagong parangal na natanggap ng ABS-CBN shows at Star